In this video, I will show you how to upscale an image in OpenArt. To do this, first open OpenArt and go to Image right here. Then go back to the main overview and click on Image Upscale. Now here upload the image that you want to upscale and then choose an upscale mode. You can do Precise, where it preserves the original style while enhancing clarity and detail, Refined adds subtle AI generated enhancements, and Creative, which basically reimagines the image with stronger AI driven enhancements. I'll do Precise, then you can turn on skin enhancement if you want and then just click generate. So this was the before right here, and now you can see it's still very grainy, but it has upscaled it a lot. You can see it's already a lot clearer, but I also tried one where I used the refined mode and you can see the difference here as well. So if you upload a picture that's a little bit less grainy than this one, then it will be a better result, but you can see the difference is pretty clear still with such a grainy image. So now you know how to upscale an image in OpenArt. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.